If you ask me, some people got too much chill. I react to this loyalty no matter who. When niggas get too many passes, they start to think that they bulletproof. It's a time and place for book smarts, but not when respect needs to be won. I tried using diplomas, see, but that don't qualify for getting the job done. You hooker type niggas, I get you stripped. I don't strip, I play pimp and take your paper. In other words, I pull your whole car like we up in Vegas. Shit might sound crazy, but I'll tell a nigga to go get his gun. Cause he ain't about that life when it comes to these one-on-ones. Don't make me show you how me and your Jews are. Fuck it, let me get it. Snatch your chain, wrap it around my fist, beat you with it. I hate for a bitch nigga to bad mouth me out the same mouth he called me bra. I break his cock sucking jaw and he be sucking dicks through a straw. Witnesses is praying quiet survivors in these parks, and if the shit goes down, there's no answers for the law. Cause the men in black will flash some shit and make you forget everything you saw. In other words, niggas will turn a blind third eye to that 4-pound bar. Never say never around me, I make you wish you never said that. Duck your body where you said you never be called dead at. Now why I don't have kids? Cause your bitch eat them up when I burst. She say she know I'ma have big kids because when she swallow this shit hurts. You'll bite off more than you can chew if you the type to get scared fast. I use them fucked up teeth to open up this can of whoop ass. Goons like me rest well cause dreams come true before slept. Other side of my pillow cold, still under that, socks hat low. Staring at your ass like I'm about to pitch something. But I chase you to the crib with a baseball bat, that's a home run. Like the Indian on the left side of that jersey, I'm Braveheart. By myself, hit you with just my right, cause I'm recording everything with my left. You came to hear the lyrical best, you being blessed. My style nasty like catching an STD through incest. You don't wanna see me pull myself up by my bootstraps, that's 238 on my Tim's at. The type of nigga that they call off for work to participate in the purge and pop up at the job ready to kill those that got on his nerve. I'll slam your head in the jukebox when it's your time to face the music. All while T-Pain is playing, I give you a good auto-tune up. Now if you're a rapist, you'll get a spit up the ass, no homo, hear me out. That way when the spit goes through, you'll get castrated from inside out. I'll come to your mama after the funeral and looking through them shitty eyelashes and say, it ain't too late to swallow your son, cause bitch, I'll feed you his ashes. You can catch me fingering your bitch, white shit dripping all on my watch. That's what the fuck you call milking the clock. And whether you superstitious or not, I make you feel just that. Cause while I'm on your heels, only right that I pop you 3 times on your back.